you're planning on moving to Dubai and cashing out crypto here, and you want to do it the right way. Now, Genzone is absolutely the best service provider to help you from start to finish. Start being you have nothing set up, finished being where you have the money in your bank account, the money being the crypto that has been converted legally. And I want to make something really clear: we only work with legal strategies here. Even if it is a little bit less difficult than some other platforms, we only work with the legal ones, right? Some platforms might be more difficult, some might be easier, but the most important thing is you do things legally, because you don't want to cash out crypto in an illegal way, get your bank shut down, get red listed. You just don't want this type of stuff to happen. So that's exactly why we help our clients do it the right way, in a way that makes them feel secure. Let me give you a case study of a client that we just helped cash out over $1 million into their bank account in one transaction, which, to be honest with you, I told him, hey, I don't think you should do $1 million, but he didn't listen and he did it anyway. Good for him. He just went ahead with it. But he got the money in his bank. Everything is good, and I'll explain to you how his process looked. So a few weeks ago, he booked a call with us. He booked a call with me specifically, and then we went over his situation. We went over his finances. We went over his timeline, his situation, his requirements, what kind of cryptos does he have, etc. So we went over everything, and this is where Genzone is different. Genzone, we do understand cryptocurrency more than every other CSP in the market. CSP meaning corporate service provider. We do understand this very well. So we figured out, hey, okay, you have this money from this, you want to cash it out. Perfect. So what we'll start off with is by setting up your company structure, which is exactly what we did. We set that up for him. And by the way, just for your reference, this is not a crypto company client. This is a client who gets paid in cryptocurrency or has personal funds in cryptocurrency. So the very first thing we did is determine what type of company structure to set up, and that's what we did. We took the first 50% payment to start the process with us here at Genzone. We sent him the onboarding link. He filled out all the information. He submitted his documents, and then we went ahead and confirmed the details with him. And then we submitted it to the government and waited for the approval of the license, which took around 3 days, which is pretty quick. Usually it takes a little bit longer, maybe 4 days, but that's pretty quick. So we got the license. Everything was good. The next step was for the client to go ahead and apply for the entry visa, which of course we do for them. So we applied for his entry visa based on the date where he was planning to fly into Dubai, and we got that document after around, again, 3 to 4 days. At that point, we're at 50% of the process. The first 2 steps are done, and we told the client, okay, perfect, congratulations on your e-visa. You can now fly into Dubai. And then he sent the second 50% payment. So now we are at a 100% payment for Genzone, and we went ahead and helped him with his actual e-visa entry process once he arrived into the country. So he went through the immigration. That was super smooth, like always, of course. And then the very next day after he landed in Dubai, we went ahead and did his medical, and we did his biometrics appointment. So for this, we book everything for the client. He doesn't have to do anything. He just has to meet us at the center. We have a team member, Genzone team member there specifically, and then that person will take him through everything. And that's exactly what happened in this specific case with this client. Unfortunately, he missed a few of his appointments. He slept in, but anyway, we made it work where we booked other appointments, and we got it all done. And then at that point, he went ahead and just waited for the Emirates ID to be issued. So for example, let's say he landed on Monday. On Thursday, he got his Emirates ID delivered to our office. In this case, it actually took a little longer because he did miss some appointments. Jet lag is a real thing, so we just had a little bit of a delay, but typically it doesn't take that long at all. And even with those little delays, it wasn't long. So once he got his Emirates ID, it came to our office. He came and picked it up. At that point, we started his banking process. So we immediately helped him with his business bank account. That was done. His personal bank accounts, that was also done as well. We set him up with Weo Bank, and we set him up with Emirates NBD. So we had a total of 3 banks, 2 personal, 1 corporate. And at that point, everything was good. We had everything set up. Now, the next step was to go ahead and set up his crypto accounts for institutional and for personal off-ramp. So again, we use regulated partners. So it's not like some random guy from a random place in wherever, Karama, that's giving you money. They're actually real registered and regulated companies. So we did his account for both. They took around 1 or 2 days to get set up. The personal account, 1 day, the business account, maybe 2 days. And that was very straightforward. He didn't need any local Dubai documents. We made everything work without that. Of course, other than the Emirates ID, he needed that. And at that point, we had the accounts open, and then he went ahead and did his first actual off-ramp. So just so you know, the off-ramp fees do vary, but it's around, let's say, 0.7% or 1% in the worst case, maybe a little bit more. It really does vary, and I don't keep track with it. I just When you need to swap the currency, you swap it, right? So we went ahead and created his accounts. Everything was done. And when I say we, it's not GenZone, it's the regulated company, because GenZone is not a regulated crypto off-ramp company. We are not doing this. We are not the ones liquidating the crypto. So then he sent the money to the account. Then he confirmed the exchange rate for the cryptocurrency, approved it. Then it was dispersed to his personal account. So as you can see right here, this one right here alone is 915,000 dirhams. And then he has another one where he did more than 100,000 dirhams. And then he sent it all to his account at once. And obviously this is a lot of money, and he did it very easily, and we helped him with everything. Now, here's some added benefits of working with us here at GenZone. We don't just set up your crypto institutional accounts. And again, we're not the ones to set it up. We have the companies to do it, but we do it with the best support available. Either you have a direct relationship manager, or in some cases, the actual owner of the exchange will be in that group. That's exactly why people choose GenZone. We know how to do it, we do it right, and we do it best. And on top of that, personal banking and all these bank accounts, we have the best relationships with the bankers so that you always get the most support possible, which is super important. And especially a client like this who is genuinely just so concerned about the cryptocurrency. I can show you all the messages, which I won't do it, but I could. And you know, this client was always worried, hey, is the money gonna come? Is it gonna come? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? And boom, the money landed in his account. As you can see right here, here is over 1 million in his account. This is proof of concept that we actually do this for people. And this is not the only person we do it for. We have so many clients that message us just for crypto off-ramp, want to do it the right way, right? They're not in the gray area. They want to just cash out the right way and have the money in their account. They want to be liquid because crypto is a very illiquid asset. Of course, as much as people want to say it's a currency, it is illiquid. So the only way is to work with a good company like us here at GenZone that understands everything from start to finish. We know it best. And of course, even if you set it up with us, you get a discount, because if you set up the company with us, we don't charge you our crypto off-ramp fee, which is typically $2,000. So for example, let's say your company setup was 8,479, or let's say 9,000. We would typically add 2,000 more for your crypto off-ramp. So you would be at 11K. If you do the entire process with us, we'll just charge you the company setup fee, totally waive the off-ramp fee. We have plenty of clients who already set up the company and need the off-ramp help, and they pay us the $2,000. So it's really up to you. Of course, these prices might change, they might go up, they might go down, who knows, but this is just what it's been for the last year and a half, right? So if you're looking for assistance with this, you want to cash out your crypto legally, the right way, with the right people, have a great experience overall, feel very comfortable overall, and not feel like you're going to get scammed or anything like that, work with us here at GenZone. We are absolutely the best company on the market to help crypto people, crypto influencers, or even just businesses that want to receive payments in crypto. Here at GenZone, we absolutely receive payments in crypto. We take them every single day. And that's something that is important for us, to be able to take payments in crypto, because a lot of our clients love crypto. They use crypto, right? It's amazing, right? You can just send $10,000 with no issues. When with a bank, sometimes they'll ask questions. That's why people love crypto. So if you're looking for assistance with this, you can book a free call with our team. You can scan the QR code on the screen. You can watch more videos on the channel. You can learn more, whatever you want to do. We're going to be here to support you. Just book a call and we'll get in touch with you directly.